Good morning YouTube and good morning my friends. Welcome back to the channel Footloose Globetrotters. Hope all of you are doing great and hope all of you watched episode 1. If you have not done that, please go watch episode 1 and then come back to this. In this episode we are going to ride from Prasad Hotel to Avani Betta. Avani Betta is a fantastic place. It's a very famous spot for trekkers and bikers, and it has its historical significance as well. Once I reach there, I will talk about that. Till then, you join with me and enjoy the ride. From the Prasad Hotel, if once you hit the main road, keep coming straight, and then somewhere in this junction you have to take a left. That's where Avani is. 6.5 kilometers from this place. I'm not sure if we are going to, yes, we are going to take this left. The moment you turn left, the scenery changes, as you can see. A lot of green trees, a lot of shade, first of all. If at all you are getting parcel from Prasad, oh puppies, oh puppies, go, be safe. So I was saying that if at all you are getting parcel from the Prasad Hotel, and then if you are planning Avani Betta next, you can always take this left, park your vehicle right under those tree shades, and enjoy your breakfast and continue your ride, or drive for that matter. Even though the sun is fully out and bright, there is still a little bit of chillness in the air. I don't know how far it will continue, because I must tell you, the sun is pretty bright right above my head. As the day progresses, I'm sure it will get hotter and hotter. Hope we don't get dehydrated. Is that Avani Betta? Yeah, I see a temple on top of the hill also. A lot of those boulders. Everything is matching the explanations that I read online. Yeah, I think we are going there only. There it is, right in front of our eyes. I don't know how we are going to climb up there.
I think this is the way to go actually. This is showing the other way.
Okay.
But I remember there is a temple here. We have to go here, and from inside only there is a way. I need to check with someone. Let me check.
Sure. But there's no way bike can go up there, right?
No, bike can't go.
We can climb up.
Climb.
Okay. Wow, look at this. So this is the parking area. 4-wheelers, 2-wheelers, you can park it easily. Here we are at the Avani Betta entrance. You can see behind us. Have these boulders, huge boulders there. What they're saying is they're there for millions of years now. I wonder who kept it there. Now the climb starts. Wish us luck, Avinash. You see, these steps are carved on the rock itself. If you are finding it difficult to climb, you have these, railings to hold on to. Keep climbing. The climb is brutal. Not because the climb was difficult. We are so bad. Check this out. You all know that Valmiki was the one who wrote Ramayana, right? So he resided here, and the legend says Sita Devi, when she was in exile, she also stayed here, and here is where she gave birth to her two sons, Lava and Kusha. See how the entrance is. It's a fascinating feeling that once upon a time people used to, walk through this day in and day out. Amazing. There is a small viewpoint here. Whoa. We still have to climb quite a distance. Ooh, nice water crossing. These are supposed to be Bhima's footsteps. And the water body that you see here, it's called as Lakshman Tirtha. Ladies who are wanting to have children, if they are not having it, they are supposed to take bath in this and go up the hill. In that temple, they should stay overnight. In the sleep, they will get a dream of them delivering a baby. If they get that dream, then the belief is they will get conceived in that year itself. If that doesn't happen, if they are not getting the dream, they have to wait one more year, do the same practice again, wait overnight, get the dream, and then wait for the dream to come true. I'm gonna take a,
Is it penetrable?
looks like it, short detour. Whoa. It's so cool inside.
Yeah, it is.
Sudden temperature drop here. Oh my god. The stairs, they're never ending. It keeps coming. I've climbed up finally. The temple is right behind this rock. Look who is giving me company. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the temple. Hello. Want to say hi? It's a camera shy dog. If at all you are bringing your four-legged family members here, they have specific guides here to guide them as well. Wherever we are going, they're following us.